Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it is a beautiful spring morning up here at the new house. The birds are singing, there's a nice breeze blowing. So today is Wednesday and we are hoping to be moved into this house by this Sunday. So we need to get a lot of stuff done over the next couple of days. Over the next couple of days, we're trying to put the rest of the light fixtures in the house. My husband's putting up trim. I'm hoping that I can at least get half of the kitchen cabinets painted before we move in. And our contractor is helping us put down the laminate flooring. That way we can just have it done by this weekend before we move in. The rest of the doors need to get hung. We're gonna make that beam that we're gonna put up on the ceiling there. So just a lot happening over the next couple of days. And also really quickly before we get started with this video, I just wanted to answer a couple of frequently asked questions that I've been getting asked a lot lately. One of those questions being, are we going to paint the outside of the house? I think I mentioned this a couple times before, but we are going to be painting the outside of the house. The whole outside of the house is going to get a complete makeover just like the inside, but we have to finish the inside of the house first before we can do the outside, because of course the inside is the most important so that we can get moved in and everything. Also, I get questions about the front door. Are we going to be replacing those? We are going to be doing something to those to update them. Stay tuned to see what we do there. Also, I read a couple comments of people saying that they wish that they could see how the house looked before at the beginning of a video and then see it finished by the end of a video. And I am going to be doing videos like that eventually. I'm going to do it for each individual room. For instance, like in the kitchen, I'm going to make a whole video just about the kitchen once it's done, and at the beginning of the video I'll show you what it looked like before, like when we first got the keys to this house, and then I will show you the after, how it looks when we are completely done with it. But right now I've just been doing these home renovation vlogs because these are just the easiest to do right now because we're doing so many different random projects throughout the whole house, and these are all that I really have time to film, and you guys have really been enjoying them, which makes me really happy. So anyway, just stay tuned for all of those other videos that are coming in the future. There will be makeover videos for each of the separate rooms so that you can see the before and the after, so stay tuned for all of that. And yeah, let's just get straight into episode 9 of the home renovation series. Jalen's in the hall closet here installing the light for in here. We're putting another one of those flat, bright LED lights in the closet like what we have out here in the hallway.
Yeah, you have to go turn the power off.
Okay, I'll go shut it off. The first thing I'm going to do this morning is to give this one last coat of black paint, and then I need to take one of these tiny paint brushes and do a little bit of touch-up paint here at the edge. It's kind of impossible to get it perfect around these edges just because it's trying to go around that brick and stuff. So it's fine if it doesn't look perfect, but I still want to go over it with a little brush just to do some touch-up. While I was painting the fireplace, Jalen was back here working on the trim. Looks like he got all the trim around these doors and on the floor. Oh, it looks so good with the door handle and the wide trim on the top.
I should have fixed this crack before I put this trim on. I might have to yank this trim back off. That door jamb should have been moved in so there's not such a gap on this side.
We did the wider trim on the very top and then we overlapped it a little bit on each side, and I think it just really gives an awesome look. It pairs really well with that door. We got all these holes cut yesterday for the can lights in the kitchen. We're doing 6 in here, 3 on each side, and then we added 1 down there for that area above the closets and the pantry. But we are still waiting for the rest of the can lights to come in the mail because they were sold out at all of our local Lowe's. So I had to order them in the mail. Hopefully they'll be here on Friday, and then Jalen will just finish putting all those in, and then we can have light everywhere. They started laying the floors this afternoon and they look so beautiful. They go perfectly with this wall color and with the white doors. So excited to see this all throughout the whole main area of the house. It just looks beautiful. And Jalen also finished up all of the trim in the master bedroom, and he got all of this caulk today, which was quite the job. Just did such an awesome job, and this was his first time laying trim, and I think that he did really awesome for this being his very first time. I just cannot get over how beautiful these floors look, and I cannot wait to see them extend all the way out through there. Jalen also got this bedroom trimmed in here, and then also the boys' bedroom over here as well. Hey everyone, so it's the next morning, Thursday morning, and we're back up here at the house again getting stuff done. My husband took off work for the rest of the week just so that we could get a ton of stuff done up here and hopefully move in this weekend, so that is why he is here with me at the house every single day this week. So like you saw last night, the contractor started to get the laminate floor laid down. He's going to be working on that again this afternoon, and then hopefully most of the day Friday, and then all day Saturday, and he's hoping to have it all finished by Saturday night. And I think we might start cutting those boards for the beam that we're going to build out there in the living room so that I can go ahead and get those stained and the stain can start drying so that we can get those hung up tomorrow morning. He just cut the front piece. Right now he's trying to make the mantle box. And we're gonna use these wider pieces for the top and the bottom, right? He's cutting all of them at a 45-degree angle just so that they all join together perfectly and it's not just like the square box. So first he's cutting this one down to 8 inches because right now it's a 10-inch wide board.
That's 12 inch.
And oh, it's a 12-inch wide board, and he only wants the mantle to be 8 inches wide. Okay, I'm pretty sure that I want to use the special walnut stain on the faux beams that we're doing, but I just want to put a little bit here on this scrap piece of wood just to make sure that it's going to look right on this kind of wood before we do the whole thing. Okay, there it is. I think it looks perfect. Okay, so Jalen is back here caulking the bedrooms. He had to tape them all. How's this going back here?
Oh, good.
Good.
I have this. Oh, I gotta caulk the doors, but I have this room caulked before.
This one didn't take quite as long as the master.
No, there's not as many doors and stuff. After we got the nail holes filled in and then got them sanded, now we've been working on doing the touch-up paint. Jalen's getting ready to hang up the boys' light fixture. I bought this light fixture from IKEA. So we'll see if it looks right. You better make sure this is the light you want because I'm cutting this cord. putting up these blackout blinds that I got from Lowe's. These are the Allen and Roth cordless blackout cellular shades, and they say they're certified best for kids and that you can also trim them at home.
What's these? What's this?
That is to put it onto the bottom. Lift the headrail of the shade into position such as the inner front edge. So he got this light hung up, but it hangs down a little bit lower than I thought it was going to. So I'm gonna see if maybe I can raise this up a little bit just so that my husband doesn't hit his head on it when he walks underneath of it. These blackout blinds are awesome. I highly recommend if you're looking for some blackout blinds for your kids' rooms or for your room. They're really easy to pull up and down, and they just like completely black out the light. More progress in here with the flooring. Got it out to almost the middle of the room. Okay, it's the next morning, and the first thing we're going to do this morning is to put these beams together so that I can stain them. Okay, so can you tell us how you built this?
On my 6s, I just cut the one side of the 45s, and then the piece that is going to go on the bottom has got 45 cut on both sides, and you just put them together.
Y'all got it all together.
Yep.
And you got a fake beam. First step is to find all of the studs. He's going to mark where those are so that we can screw the 2-inch boards into the ceiling. Okay, so now that we got that 2-inch board secured to the ceiling in there, I'm going to take my special walnut stain and I'm going to go ahead and stain this faux beam. Jalen is now installing my Nest Learning thermostat. I got this last summer, like end of summer. If you guys have been watching for a while, I talked about it in a video then. And now we are finally getting to install it on the wall here in the new house. But we will definitely be installing this in our future house that we build or buy. It's always been my dream to have one of these Nest thermostats in our house. They're just so sleek and modern looking. I love the digital screen. I just always said, even years ago, whenever we build or buy our own house, we are definitely going to invest in a Nest thermostat. Just waiting for it to start. It's on the countdown 1 minute. It's just trying to configure everything, but this thing is really awesome. We can also control it from our phones. Okay, so we pieced together the second part of the beam, and now I put on the first coat of stain, and now I'm going to go on with a second coat because it got a little bit darker here than everywhere else. Everyone, so it's nighttime now, so we're gonna head back to the rental. We did get quite a lot done today. We ended up just doing a bunch of moving this afternoon, and we got a bunch of stuff moved into the bedrooms, but I think I'm gonna have the pack and move with me video separate from the house renovation video. So stay tuned for that. That'll probably be up next week. We did get half of the faux beam up like you guys saw, and we got the other one stained and made. It's ready to be put up, but we held it up there and we need to cut like another inch off of it to make it fit. So we'll be doing that first thing tomorrow morning, and then we can finish getting that put up so you guys will get to see the complete beam up there in the next video. And it's also looking like I am not going to get my kitchen cabinets painted before we move in, but that's fine. It'll just be a project that I do after we move in. The contractor also got a bunch more of the floor laid down, and he said that he will finish getting it all put down tomorrow here in the main area. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos on my channel, and I will see you in a couple days in a brand new video. Bye!